homogeneous mass distribution. Okay, let us consider a special case, a case of a uniform circular disk. Uniform circular disk of mass m radius r. Let it be arranged in xy plane such that the center of the disk is at the origin of the coordinate system. So, center of the disk is located at the origin of the coordinate system here. Now, as per our conclusion, the disk is symmetric about x-axis as well as y-axis. Therefore, center of mass x coordinate is going to be 0, y coordinate is going to be 0. Therefore, center of mass of a uniform circular disk whose center coincides with the origin will have center of mass located at center only. Therefore, this is center of mass. Now, this is about the center of mass of a uniform circular disk. Now, we will modify this problem slightly. We remove a portion from the disk with a radius r by 2. R by 2 radius, disk is removed from it. When it is removed from it, the remaining portion is, what is the center of mass of the remaining portion? So, let sigma be the areal density. Since it is uniform sheet or uniform disk, therefore, sigma is constant areal density. Assume that the mass removal is as if a negative mass present there. It is assumed that a uniform disk of positive areal density superimposed on it or over that we have a negative mass density small circular disk. Therefore, center of mass is corresponding to mass of the original disk and mass of the new disk, that is negative mass. Therefore, we consider the first case. Mass of the disk which is supposed to be uniform disk total here, m is equal to sigma into pi r square, that is the mass of the disk. The center of mass of this disk is at the center, therefore x1 is 0. And similarly, mass of the disk which is imagined to be removed, other negative mass is present here because that there is no mass present here is, that is negative mass is added to that. So, therefore, minus sigma into pi r by 2 whole square. This is mass of the disk which is supposed to be negative mass. The x coordinate of this, because it is this disk is symmetric to x-axis, center of mass will lie on x-axis. Therefore, it will have only x coordinate of center of mass. Therefore, x2 is equal to r by 2. Radius of the disk removed is r by 2. R by 2 is the radius of the disk. The actual disk radius is r, but removed portion diameter is r. Therefore, radius is r by 2. So, this is x is r by x2 is r by 2 is the center of mass of the negative mass disk. Now, the disk now will have two masses, one positive mass total mass added to that negative mass of this area, making it the 0 mass here, that is the removal portion. Therefore, x center of mass is m1 x1 plus m2 x2 divided by m1 plus m2 as per the definition. So, m1 x1 is sigma pi r square into 0 minus m2. m2 is sigma pi r square by 4 into r by 2 divided by sigma into pi r square minus pi r square by 4. So, sigma gets cancelled. What we have is, this is anyhow 0, that is corresponding to minus pi r square r cube, pi r cube by 8 numerator. Denominator pi r square minus pi r square by 4 is 3 pi r square by 4. So one of these r's gets cancelled, 2 r square gets cancelled, pi gets cancelled, 4 into 2 we have 3r by pi r by 6, pi is gets cancelled, r by 6 minus r by 6. So what is this minus r by 6? Minus r by 6 means x coordinate is minus r by 6, positive is towards positive x side. Therefore, center of mass of the remaining portion after removal of this disk, center of mass will be now here, this distance is r by 6. Center of mass is shifted here. That's how we calculate. Now, instead of next extension of this problem, this removed portion, assuming that this is pasted here, that is a circular disc, a uniform circular disc of radius r has a mass of circular r by 2 radius circular disc removed from it, it's removed, means gap is formed, that is circular hole is made in the disc, radius is r by 2. This removed portion of the circular disc is pasted here on the remaining portion. So therefore, analysis can be done like this. First, total mass of the disc, then negative mass of this portion, positive mass of this portion. Therefore, what we can write, assuming sigma as the areal density, mass of the original disc, that is sigma into pi r square, center of mass of the original disc on x-axis, because y-axis is, the entire arrangement is symmetric to x-axis, therefore center of mass lie only on x-axis. That's why we are considering only x-coordinate. X-coordinate of center of mass of that is 0, that is total disc. First we consider the total disc. Total disc mass is sigma into pi r square, and center of mass of the total disc is at its origin, therefore x coordinate of that is center of mass is 0 for the disc. Next we consider this disc. This disc, let the mass be m2 minus sigma, because this negative density mass is assumed to be placed here. So pi r by 2 whole square, and x2 is center of mass is at a distance r by 2. This is for the second mass. Now since this whatever is removed is pasted here, therefore m3 becomes sigma into plus sigma into pi r by 2 whole square. Plus sigma means the mass is negative mass means mass is subtracted here, mass is added here, added mass is m3. Similarly, x3, the center of mass of this added portion disc, small disc, is minus r by 2, because this is positive x-axis, the center of this removed, pasted disc center is here, which is at a distance r by 2. Therefore, we write minus r by 2 is the x coordinate. Therefore, xm is going to be m1 x1 plus m2 x2 plus m3 x3 as per the definition, divided by m1 plus m2 plus m3. So this is going to be m1 is sigma into pi r square into 0 plus m2 is sigma into pi r square by 4, pi r by 2 whole square into x2 is r by 2 plus sigma into pi r square by 4 minus r by 2 divided by sigma into pi r square plus sigma into pi r square by minus pi r square by 4 plus sigma into pi r square by 4. So altogether these two get cancelled. This is minus, no, not get cancelled. This is, both are negative. Therefore, they are going to be added up. Therefore, this is sigma into pi r square by 4 into minus r by 2 is r. Both are added up. divided by here, these two gets cancelled, and sigma into pi r square. Sigma pi r square gets cancelled. Here we have minus r by 4. Instead of minus r by 6 here, it is minus r by 4, means center of mass is shifted towards left. It is going to be at a distance r by 4 distance from the center towards left. That's how we will be able to calculate the center of mass of the removed portion or cavity there. Center of mass of a uniform